Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching MySQL Workbench and connecting to the target server. Make sure you use a user account with alter and create rights. Once connected, open the navigator and locate the schema catalog you intend to rename. Before changing anything, export the schema or create a SQL dump to preserve data and object definitions. This prevents accidental loss. Make sure backup completes successfully. When the dump is ready, proceed directly to the schema rename steps in the next slide. Now perform the rename. MySQL lacks a direct rename schema command in many versions, so create a new schema with the desired name and move objects using create table new like old. Insert into new select asterisk from old for data, or use Workbench's schema transfer wizard. Update object definitions, procedures, views, triggers, and recreate foreign keys to point at the new schema. Use transactions where feasible and test each step. This ensures consistency. Once all objects and data are moved, drop the old schema safely. Finish by adjusting user privileges and updating client or application connection settings to reference the new schema name. Grant the same privileges you removed earlier. Verify integrity by running checksum queries, executing stored procedures, and sampling reads and writes. Make sure views and foreign keys behave as expected. If you encounter errors, stop further changes, restore the SQL dump backup, and inspect Workbench and server error logs for permission or unresolved dependency messages. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.